Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening the online compiler and selecting Java as the language. Make sure you pick the correct JDK version for your project. Mismatched versions cause errors. Create a new file named main. Java or the required class name, then paste or type your code. Once done, set input data if your program needs a std-in, adjust compiler flags or memory limits, and save the workspace. Finally, click Run to compile and execute. The console will show compile messages, runtime output, and errors to act on. Now focus on fixing compilation and runtime issues. Read error lines, identify the exact file and line number, and trace the stack trace to the failing method. Make targeted edits, correct imports, adjust access modifiers, or fix null checks, then save and rerun. If your project needs libraries, add dependencies via the compiler's package manager or upload jars and update class path. Once tests pass locally in the console, run additional sample inputs. Make sure to commit or export the working code before continuing. Finish by validating outputs against expected cases, then download or export your compiled jar or source bundle. Make sure the main class is correctly specified if creating an executable jar, and include any runtime arguments in the run configuration. Save a copy or push to version control from the workspace. If you plan to demo, test on a fresh session to confirm behavior. Troubleshooting tip. If execution fails with no class def found error or different behavior, verify the JDK version and class path order, then rebuild cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.